In today's video, I am going to teach you how to record Google Meet video call on laptop. First, you need to open the correct meeting in Google Meet. Go to the Google Meet page and launch your ongoing meeting in your browser. Once you are in the meeting, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen. There you will see an activities icon. The icon is usually shown as shapes, which helps you recognize it quickly. Now click the activities icon. After you select it, a menu opens that contains meeting options. In that menu, look for Recording. The recording item may appear as a clear option in the list, since it is one of the most important meeting controls. When you find Recording, click Start Recording. As the meeting continues, you can stay focused on the conversation while the recording runs in the background. The key thing to remember is that recording does not automatically stop when the meeting ends in every situation. Because of that, you should always take a quick look later to make sure you stop the recording properly. When you are ready to end recording, go back to the Activities menu. You will return to the same place you opened earlier by clicking the Activities icon in the bottom right corner again. In the menu, select Recording, and then click Stop Recording. Stopping is important because it prevents capturing unnecessary time after the part you wanted is finished. After you stop recording, the file will save automatically to the organizer's Google Drive. And that covers everything you need to know.